Hello and welcome back to my channel Arna Rocks, and in my today's video I will tell you some interesting facts about our universe. So let's get started. So first let us talk about the facts of our universe. First part. There is a supermassive black hole at the heart of every galaxy. The universe has the same temperature everywhere. Third point, 95% of the universe is invisible. Now, these facts are also continued from the previous ones. First point, space is completely silent. Second, the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Third point, there can be life on Mars. 4 point, nobody knows how many stars are there in space. Fifth point, Halley's Comet won't orbit past Earth again until 2061. Sixth point, a full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. Seventh point, neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. So now these are also continued from the previous ones. First, the universe was hot when it was young. Second, the universe can be cold when it grows old. Third, the universe spans a diameter of over 150 billion light years. Fourth point, the universe is 13.7 billion years old. Fifth point, the earth is not flat, but the universe is completely flat. Sixth point, a huge chunk of it is made up of things we can't see. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.